Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to keep your digital assets safe. That's where hardware wallets come in. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best hardware wallets. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, these devices will keep your investments secure. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting off at number 5, we have the Tangem Wallet. The Tangem Wallet offers the highest level of security. Your private key is generated and stored directly on the card, meaning it never leaves the card, keeping your crypto and NFTs safe from hackers. It's also certified EAL6+, the highest security level among competitors, and its firmware is audited by top labs like Kudelski Security and Riscure. Trust me, your assets are in safe hands. This tiny card does it all. Manage 13,000 plus tokens across 70 plus blockchains, access DeFi, NFTs, and dApps, and enjoy the convenience of a hot wallet with the security of cold storage. No wires, no Bluetooth, no batteries, just tap the card on your phone and you're good to go. Using the Tangem wallet is as easy as just tapping it on your phone. Install the Tangem app and you can buy, sell, or transfer crypto securely using NFC. You can even buy crypto with Google, Apple Pay, or credit debit cards. Plus, it's fully integrated with Wallet Connect for seamless dApp access. Coming in at number 4 is the Trezor Safe 3. The Trezor Safe 3 is built with an NDA-free EAL6+ secure element, offering robust defense and complete transparency. Your private keys are stored offline, keeping your assets safe from hackers. Plus, the OLED screen ensures secure on-device confirmations for every transaction. This wallet supports thousands of coins and tokens, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. Manage everything seamlessly with Trezor Suite, our intuitive desktop and mobile app. Whether you're monitoring or transacting, it's all smooth and secure. With multi-share backup, you can eliminate single points of failure for secure cold wallet recovery. Setting up is a breeze. Secure your crypto in just 15 minutes with the simple interface. It's perfect for both beginners and pros. At number 3, we have CypherRock X1. The CypherRock X1 is audited by Key Labs, the security firm that's found vulnerabilities in Ledger and Trezor wallets. This means your crypto is protected by the highest level of security. No more worrying about hackers, your assets are safe and sound. Store and manage 3,000 plus coins and tokens effortlessly with the CySync app. Whether you're into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other altcoins, this wallet supports multiple networks, making it a one-stop solution for all your crypto needs. Got multiple wallets? No problem. The CypherRock X1 lets you import up to 4 wallets and securely store their seed phrases, no paper or metal backups needed. It's the ultimate backup solution for your crypto portfolio. Connect your CypherRock X1 via Wallet Connect and seamlessly use it with your favorite dApps. Whether you're trading NFTs or diving into DeFi, this wallet makes it easy and secure. Taking the number 2 spot is the Ledger Stacks. Trusted by millions, the Ledger Stacks is powered by a secure element chip and Ledger's proprietary OS. Your private keys are stored offline, keeping them far from hackers' reach. When it comes to security, Ledger never compromises. The curved e-ink touchscreen is a game changer. It's palm-sized, easy to read, and perfect for securely signing transactions. Plus, you can customize the lock screen with your favorite NFT or picture, making it uniquely yours, even when it's off. Manage thousands of cryptocurrencies and NFTs all in one place. Pair your Ledger Stacks with the Ledger Live app to easily monitor and transact your digital assets. It's the ultimate crypto companion. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Ledger Nano X. This wallet features a certified secure chip that keeps your private keys offline and far from hackers' reach. Whether it's your Bitcoin, Ethereum, or NFTs, your assets are protected with top-tier security. Manage thousands of coins and NFTs all in one place. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily manage your crypto on the go. Pair it with the Live app to access crypto services, dApps, and control your assets in seconds, safely and simply. And there you have it, the top 5 best cold storage wallets. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.